everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, a song reaction right now. This is from Minnal Murli. I'm really happy. This is the second song that they have released, the makers have released for Minnal Murli. This is called Uyire and this has been composed by Shan Rahman. So yes, let's get right into it. It's like a 5.5 minute song, so I'm guessing the full song is given. Though I don't know if it's the movie song or a lyric video like T Minnal. So yes, let's just watch the song right away. Uyire. Right. So basically there are two music directors for this movie. Okay, let us begin. Right. This looks animated. Ooh! Oh, it's an emotional song, I think.
വാഴ്വിൽ കനലാളും പോലെ ഉരുകുന്നൊരു മോഹം നീയേ
നെഞ്ചുലഞ്ഞ മുറിവിലായി മെല്ലെ മെല്ലെ തഴുകുവാൻ നിലവാകാം നിഴലാകാം
മണ്ണടിയും നാൾ വരെ കൂടെ കാവലായി കണ്ണേ നിന്നെ കാക്കാം
സ്വപ്നം നീ സ്വന്തം നീ സ്വർഗം നീ സർവം നീ
Manu Manji. He wrote for T Minnal also. It's like a lullaby. Narayani Gopan, Mithun Jayaraj. Okay. Sarcasm. They also did T Minnal only, right?
മേഘം വാനിലെങ്കിലും ദൂരെ ദൂരെ മാഞ്ഞുവെങ്കിലും
താഴെ ആഴിയെത്തുവാൻ മഴയായി വീണ്ടും പെയ്തിറങ്ങുമേ
ഉലകിതിനോടും
Why do I feel like crying?
പൊരുതിടും ഇനി ഞാൻ നിന്നെ നേടാനഴകേ
ഇവളിനി നിന്നിൽ കലരുകയായി ഒരു നദിയായി നാം ഒഴുകാം
വിഴിയിൽ നീയേ നീയേ సర్వం నీయే.
I don't know why I started. It just filled my eyes. Oh my god. I don't know why I just. It's like as the song started progressing, see, when this happens, you know it's a good song. When this happens to me, I know this is like not just a good song, it's an amazing song. See, this is what I mean by that necessarily music not always needs to like yeah, it helps when you know the meaning also. Of course it helps. But you see what the song did to me right now? Huh? So yeah. Do I even have to explain how much I loved it? Then it started. Already it was so peaceful. It started. And then, you know, I don't know I don't know why I felt so sad in between while listening to the song. I'm guessing this is like a romantic song only. Like the lyrics are not sad, or is it? Let me know. But it started and it gave me this beautiful romantic feeling, of course, and then it just started giving me a little beautiful lullaby kind of feeling. I thought that what a beautiful lullaby. Like just listen to it at night, and then like the song started progressing when the visuals came. Like he's that person, the hero is watching this woman, and he has the photo watching this woman from outside the window and all of that, and then the music build up happened, and then immediately I don't know I just started feeling sad. I mean that's weird. If it's a romantic happy song, then I mean then I'm pretty much the music clowned me basically. I would say then I should have been feeling very mushy and romantic at heart, but something about the music and the way the playback singers were singing the song just made me sad, and that's why that that emotion came into my eyes. Wow. I think it's the music, it's the way the song has been composed by Shan Rahman. Did a fantastic job. Wow. Yeah, I think the first Malayalam song which really made me cry was Aradhike. The song was really beautiful, but I think looking at the visuals, it just like looking at Sobin like that made me cry. But this was just animation. At least Aradhike had, visuals to back me up that, okay, I felt very emotional, I started crying. But this song only had animation, and the animation is suggesting that this guy is going, I'm guessing that's Minnal only, he's going on a journey, and then he has his bachpan ka pyar, and then he's meeting her and they're adults and they are reunited at the end. That's what the thumbnail is also, both of them reunited. So, but still I don't know why I feel so, it's like I feel bittersweet. I feel bittersweet, I don't know. So this just automatically made me cry. I just want to give a shout out to the playback singers once again. Wait, let me open the credits. Wow, Narayani, Gopan and Mithun Jairaj. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I feel really a little bit overwhelmed. I did not expect, like I'll get teared up. I did not expect it, honestly. So you already know how much I loved the song. You already know it, guys. Wow. Yeah. I'll end the reaction here. That's all I have to say. I want to thank Shan Rahman for composing this beautiful melody. touched my heart. Touched my heart, guys. Touched my heart. I want to know your thoughts on the song. Definitely share them in the comments below. And yes, I'll sign off from this video now. Needless to say, but I'm gonna add this to my playlist, of course. Of course. So yeah, I will sign off from this video now, and I will see you soon on my next video, guys. Bye.